Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to set up a module for your course, and this is based on the 5E lesson design. So this is a part of those 5E's. This is one component of Explain where I'm showing a video. I'm also kind of breaking down the process, so I'm going to set this up just like I'm setting up my professional development for you. So what you'll do is you'll go into a course where you're a teacher and you're going to click on modules. And what a module does is it just organizes your curriculum for your students. It's sort of like a folder system. And so what we can do is we can put all of the materials that your students are going to need into this one folder, so then they have one place to go for everything they need in that little mini unit. So once you've clicked on modules, we're going to go over here and click the big plus module button and then name your module. And again, it's sort of the name of the folder or the name of your mini unit. So in this case, I'm going to call it the 5E's and Canvas for student engagement. For now, you can ignore the rest of this stuff. We can get into that when we get to more advanced module topics later, or you can look that up. So I'm going to click Add Module. And now you can see there was one already in here. Your new module always ends up at the very bottom. If you want, you can move it and you can drag them, or if it's way at the bottom, I like to go to the three dots, click Move Module at the top, and then move it. Okay, so now I can see that I have this module, but there's nothing in it. I want to add to it. I'm going to recommend that you make a home page for your mini units for your students, but you don't have to be super elaborate. You can use the student-facing template that I've provided and just embed that in. So the first thing, let's add to the module. So the plus module creates a module that's like creating a folder. Now we want to put stuff in it. So I'm going to click on this plus sign, and then I want to create a page. Okay, so it says add, now it says assignment, that's the default, but if you click on that, then there's a drop down. So we're going to choose page here. So you can see all of the different components that you could add to modules in Canvas. And I haven't even created the page yet. I'm starting from scratch here. So I'm going to click on New Page, and then I have to title that page. And it's going to be called the 5E's and Canvas homepage. The indentation, I'm not going to worry about it now. That's just a visual thing. It doesn't actually do anything else aside from, you can sort of create an outline for your students if you want. So I'm going to click Add Item. So what that has done is it has created a blank page inside this module. So I'm going to click on the page to open it. And as you can see, it's totally blank. Okay, so I'm going to click Edit. But now I need to go back over and go to the template. And as you can see, I've done nothing, right? That's totally fine. You don't have to have created anything yet, but you can embed it and then later on come back and whatever changes you want to make here will be reflected in your Canvas module, which is fantastic. So in here, there are a couple of different ways you can embed content in Canvas, but this one that I'm going to show you makes it so that you don't have to worry that a student might be logged into a different Gmail account on their device and then they have trouble accessing your material. If you publish to the web and embed this way, there will be no issues. So I'm going to go to File, and then I'm going to choose Publish to the Web, and I'm going to click Publish. Google's asking me if I'm sure, and I am, so I'm going to click OK. And so now it's published to the web, and I have this link, but I want to embed it, so I'm going to click on Embed. And now I can see that the code in there is bigger. So I'm going to click in there, it selects everything for me. I'm going to click Copy, and then I'll go back over to Canvas, and I'm editing that page right now. I already clicked Edit. So from here, I want to click HTML Editor. Okay, so now I'm in the HTML editor, and I'm just going to paste my code in there. So now if you click, and it looks crazy, right? But if you click on Rich Content Editor, then you'll see, oh, look at that, there are my slides. I pasted them, they're embedded, so I'm going to click Save. You can click Save and Publish, but if you're working in a course that you just wrapped up with your students, you may not want to confuse them by publishing additional information right now. So that's it. That's creating a module and then creating a home page. There's more to it, but that will get you started for now. All right, I hope you're enjoying your PD. See you soon.